OMG. Juju, may bias na ako. Okay guys, so dito tayo para i-test yung bagong produkto ng Juju. It's Juju Prebiotics, Probiotics, and Postbiotics. Para sa mga watermelon lovers out there, this drink is for you. Oh my gosh, amoy candy guys. Wow, that actually smells so good. Alam niyo yung watermelon candy, yung parang feel ko gets nyo na yun kapag nakatikim kayo ng watermelon. Wow, that tastes amazing. Now we just wait for it to fizz and then we drink. So I'm pretty sure you guys have heard about prebiotic, probiotic. But have you guys heard of postbiotics? Bihira magkaroon ng tribiotics ang isang product. And in all honesty, that's why I was so excited for the new product ng Juju. Meron na siyang prebiotic, probiotic, and postbiotic. So imagine, all three in one, sobrang grabe na to sa gut health. It's so good. Taste test tayo ngayon, guys. Ang ganda ng kulay, guys, oh. So pretty. OMG. Ito na yung favorite flavor ko out of all of the products. Oh my gosh, Juju, may bias na ako. It tastes so good. Not only does it taste good, guys, it's not only good for your gut health, but also good for immunity health. Not only that, it keeps your inner self more happy. So guys, what are you waiting for? Get yours today!